People sometimes ask me, what is so interesting about physics? My answer is always, everything. I was lucky that science, or physics to be precise, became my both professional and personal passion. I received my PhD from the Freiburg University in Germany, where I fully realized that physics is a living science, which truly opens unlimited possibilities. I gained experience working in Australia, China, USA, Germany and the Netherlands, where I met extremely talented people from whom I had learned a lot. That's where I understood that the most valuable resource is the people, brilliant, full of passion, and for whom nothing is impossible. One moment, a vision of invention appeared in my mind. The conceptual work took me almost 2 years. My decision had not been easy, especially because I was risking my entire career. But you know what they say, when you really want something, the entire universe helps you get it. My name is Filip Granek, and I'm CEO of XTPL, a company that is working on a revolutionary method of printing nanomaterials. The same way we inexpensively and easily print books and newspapers today, we will be able to print solar cells, displays, or even processors in the future. However, to use the process of printing in production of this type of advanced equipment, it has to be very precise. Our pioneering method meets this need. The patented technology allows for obtaining ultra-fine lines. This is actually 400 times thinner than the human hair.
In the first stage of our work, we want to concentrate on the photovoltaic and displays industries. My name is Sebastian Młodziński and I am the CMO and co-founder of XTPL. Looking through the prism of market needs, the XTPL technology is a revolution, is a true revolution, because printing nanomaterials will change the rules of the game for the mass market of solar cells, displays and touchscreens.
Thanks to the XTPL's technology, ultra-thin structures increase optical transparency and enable better solar energy absorption while increasing solar cells' efficiency at the same time. They conduct electricity well and are elastic, which will make future displays consume less energy and be flexible.
Innovation is a goal for which we are striving for, but it has to be tempered by the market needs.
My name is Maciej Adamczyk, I am the COO of XTPL.
We operate in the market that is already worth $5 billion per year, and it's only for the photovoltaics and displays.
Unique features of the XTPL technology, such as high transparency, low electrical resistance and low cost, will allow our company to play a major role in this market.
We continuously extending our technological knowledge and intellectual property. Right now we are preparing next patent applications.
I'm really proud of the XTPL team. Such a complicated project requires an interdisciplinary experience. Among our team members, we have physicists, chemists, programmers, electrical engineers, specialists in material science and in numerical simulation, all of whom have worldwide experience in their fields. When you really want something, the entire universe helps you get it. This is true. Being a part of a company like XTPL is a reason to be proud. It makes you feel that you are creating something that will soon contribute in a global technological revolution and in fact, change the rules of the game.